Question number 1. I bought dash book. The correct answer is option B. A. I bought a book. Question number 2. She gives me dash umbrella. The correct answer is option A. And she gives me an umbrella. Question number 3. Could you take dash book on the table? The correct answer is option C. D. Could you take the book on the table? Question number 4. Dash sun rises late today. The correct answer is option C. D. The sun rises late today. Question number 5. I am going to buy dash jackfruit. The correct answer is option B. A. I am going to buy a jackfruit. Question number 6. I have dash amazing friend. The correct answer is option A. And I have an amazing friend. Question number 7. It took off dash hour to reach. The correct answer is option A. And it took half an hour to reach. Question number 8. I want dash 1 rupee coin to make a circle. The correct answer is option B. A. I want a 1 rupee coin to make a circle. Question number 9. Dash headmaster gives a speech. The correct answer is option C. D. The headmaster gives a speech. Question number 10. Dash elephant is crossing the road. The correct answer is option A. And an elephant is crossing the road.